So we incorporated our company, Ease My Trade Private Limited, in August 2020.
It will be good. I wish all the best for these people and the enthusiasm they have shown here, and the things they are staking there.
Because you guys are the maximum stock INR 2 lakhs. Then we reached INR 1 million the very next month. We maintained INR 1 million in April, May, and in June we made it 2 million in INR, and in July we had reached 5 million.
Warren Buffett has said, never depend upon single source, make investments to generate second income. Before investment, one must learn, and that's why we enter. By providing education about stock market, every day we are a step closer towards reaching and helping our growing family become financially independent.
I am glad to share my vote of thanks with all the dignitaries present here. Thanks for making this event a success. I would also like special thanks to our chief guest, Mr. TS Vijayan sir, for coming and gracing the occasion.
इंडिया में तो आप कौन सा ऐप का नाम सजेस्ट करोगे? So overall in 99% केस होता क्या है कि कोई एक ऐप का नाम, कोई ब्रांड का नाम सामने नहीं आता. सोल्यूशन इसका फाइनल रिजल्ट ये होता है कि कॉल टू फ्रेंड्स एंड देन अपने पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर से पूछ लो कि हम कहाँ से सीखें. सो ये जो वैकेंट प्लेस है इंडियन सोसाइटी के माइंड में हम इसको एक्वायर कर रहे हैं विद द नेम ऑफ StockDaddy फॉर इंडिया, एंड वी हैव प्लान्स फॉर ग्लोबल मार्केट एज वेल.